Hello everyone, it's Terry here. I am so happy that you guys are here with me today. Today I am sharing this card that I created using some stamp sets from Blot shop. Let's get started. To start off the card, I am using this stamp set called Bubble Words, and I'm using the word hello. The cardstock that I am using today is Nina Solar White, and I'm using Nina Solar White because it's Copic marker friendly. I do plan on using my Copic markers to color in the hello sentiment. So before I can stamp out the hello sentiment, I need to create a mask. I am going to use this paintbrush from another set called Arts and Crafts Icon. I wanted to make it seem as though the brush is writing out the word hello. So since I want the brush to be on top of the word hello, I will have to mask this section off. So here, going in with the brush stamp, I'm inking that up with Memento Black Tuxedo ink and stamping that onto my white cardstock. I then went in and stamped that onto my masking paper. My favorite masking paper is by Gina K Designs. So now that the masking paper is complete, I went ahead and fussy cut that off screen and applied it over the stamp image that's on the cardstock. Placing the masking paper here will make it seem as though the brush is writing out the letter hello. So that would be up above instead of below the sentiment. Now going in with the hello sentiment, I am placing it over the brush tip. And then I went in with Memento Black Tuxedo ink and stamped that hello sentiment onto the cardstock. And now I'm just removing the masking paper. See how this looks? It looks like the brush is actually writing out the letter hello. So in the stamp set, there are some ink splatter stamps, and I stamped that onto the card front as well. See, here's a close-up look how everything looks. It's magical what a little masking paper can do. And now it's time to color. As always, I will go ahead and play some music here so you can enjoy the coloring process. But if you wanted to skip ahead, I will note the time above and you can go ahead and forward it there. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the coloring process there. I actually love coloring. It's very therapeutic for me. Okay, so the next step, I went in with one of my rectangle dies and I ran that through my die cutting machine. I also went ahead and cut gray cardstock slightly larger than my card panel. So to assemble the card together, I went ahead and applied foam tape on the back of the card panel and adhered that onto the gray cardstock. I then went in with liquid adhesive and adhered that onto a top folding card base. To add a little more interest onto the card front, I came in with my shimmer pen and applied shimmer all over the sentiment. If you are interested in any of the products that I'm using today, I will have it listed down in the description bar. Okay, so sometimes it's really nice to have a matching envelope. So here I decided to stamp on the hello sentiment with a few little heart stamps onto a red envelope. I'm just stamping this on with white pigment ink. Okay, so this finishes off the card. Here's a closer look at the envelope. Isn't it so cute? And here is a closer look at the card. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.